There are many things that people think they cannot bake, but in reality, it is actually easier than they think. Making apple crumble is one of those things. Although it may seem daunting, it is really quite simple. In this video, I will show you how to make a quick and easy apple crumble with beautifully sweet and cinnamony sour apple filling and with a buttery-smelling crunchy crumble top. Here is how to make this easy apple crumble recipe. To make the apple filling, you need 4 green apples. Peel the apples and dice them into small chunks. Put the diced apples in a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which is about half the lemon, and give it a quick mix. Now add a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Give all the ingredients a good mix and pour the apple filling into the baking dish. Spread the apples evenly and set it aside for a moment while we are making a crumble topping. Take a mixing bowl and take 1 cup of plain flour and 1/2 cup of cold butter. Rub the butter and the flour together using your fingers. Don't worry, it does not need to be perfectly even. Now add 1/2 cup demerara sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Give the ingredients another rub with your fingers till the crumble topping takes the consistency that is similar to breadcrumbs. Although crumble topping is relatively straightforward to make, it can often turn out too dry, too powdery, soggy, or not crumbly at all. I have left the link in the description below the video for tips and tricks on fixing crumble topping and making sure it will turn out perfect every time. Now, spread the crumble topping over the apple filling, covering it evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes until the crumble topping is golden brown and the apple filling hot and bubbling. If you liked this easy apple crumble recipe, check out my other video on how to make simple yet really delicious 3-ingredient banana bread. And I am not using the cake mix to make it. Check it out now.